Hello friends, let me share with you how I managed to lose 8 kilograms in 1 week eating just this salad every day. Like, this is what I'll make every day for 1 week and eat without eating anything. Plus, I'll share with you what I drank alongside these to achieve the results in 1 week. 8 kilograms. Like, I've been away and these are my results. So that is chicken salad, and the first thing you need is chicken. Chicken is white meat, protein, which is very good. So eating more protein and less carbs help you burn fat. So basically, you just want to slice up your chicken and spice up with a little bit of salt, some black pepper, garlic, like whatever spice you want, like to spice up your chicken with, paprika, whatever you want, how you want your chicken to taste, that is fine. So I just like spice up my chicken and add in some olive oil and just watch and see how I come up with this. Like, eating more of protein with vegetables and no carbs helps to speed up your ability to burn fat like super fast. This is a secret if you're looking to burn fat. Plus, white meat is very healthy. This is white meat. This is chicken breast. So this is what I will be eating for 1 week, the whole of this chicken. I'm not eating all at once. So I'll share with you how I portion it into the different days for the week. Not everything I eat on one day. Yeah, so this is it. I just leave it to like my spice to get into the chicken so it tastes good. Now you want to take it to your pot. Remember, I added some olive oil, so I'm not adding any oil in my pan. So you want to avoid excess oil in your recipe. So this is it here on low heat. I just keep stirring, and this just tastes so good. It tastes so good. So this is what you want to do. Avoid a lot of oil, most especially the wrong oils, into your recipes when you want to make fat burning recipes like this. So remember, what I used is olive oil. You can see the color, that is olive oil, and just a little bit of olive oil I used, and just keep stirring this until ready. Yeah, so this is it. Get it to how you want it. If you want it like brown or really cooked or crispy, you just keep stirring and get to whatever level you want. Some people will want it this way, but I want mine a little bit crispy, like brown, So this is it. The chicken, very filling. Protein fills you up, but without bad calories, and you get to lose. You see how it looks so yummy. Now this is the salad. This is lettuce. So you can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice. You can use spinach, kale, but this is lettuce. Any green leafy vegetable of your choice is fine. So I want to achieve a handful of lettuce or any green leafy vegetable of your choice. So wash your vegetable and slice up. Yeah. So this is it. This boosts metabolism and help your system to burn fat so fast. Green leafy vegetables are very good at helping cleanse your tummy and boost your system to burn fat. They are very filling as well because they are fiber based. The next thing I add is some pepper. So this is sweet pepper, very good. This is fiber based as well, fills your tummy up, and it is loaded with antioxidants to help fight free radicals, slowing down your metabolism. So adding this in the recipe helps to fill your tummy up, but with little or no calories, so your system has enough energy to burn fat rather than burning calories. Now the next thing I add is some tomato. Tomatoes equally help to boost your metabolism and very good at cleansing the tummy. Tomato has some good acids in them to help flush out the bad acids. It takes good fat to flush out bad fat. It takes good acids to flush out bad acids, making your tummy big, bloated, with a lot of gassiness and the rest. So that is why I love me some tomatoes. They are very good at cleansing the tummy. Yeah, so this is it. Slice up your 1 tomato and set aside. I equally add some onions. Onions help to detoxify the tummy as well. Onions are fiber based to fill your tummy up as well and help you lose weight. So this will fill you up, but if you count these calories here, It's not up to like just this is not up to any calorie that you should be scared of. Like that is the secret to burning fat, is eating something with less calories, so your system uses the energy to burn fat and not calories, and not calories from food you eat. So this is avocado. As I mentioned earlier, it takes healthy fats to help you burn bad fats. Your doctors will tell you that as well, that healthy fats, good cholesterol from avocados, will help you burn the bad cholesterol in your system. So we are adding 1 avocado. It is very filling as well. So the omega fatty acids, like this is so filling. And this is the chicken. You use just a portion of it, not all of that chicken. If you like, you can eat more of the chicken and make some more depending on you. But to me, that can take me for a week. Or there are times I'll just feel like eating the chicken, and it's okay to make more of the chicken, but that can actually take you for a week. So now this is the dressing. You want to get some lemon. This is the juice of lemon, 2 tablespoons of lemon for the dressing. You put in your cup. Add in a pinch of black pepper, so that is half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and some olive oil as well. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And you can add in a little bit of honey. This is really optional depending on you. You must not add the honey. There are times I just prefer eating without the honey, and it still tastes so good. Yeah. And you can add some dry parsley if you have. If you don't have, that is optional as well. So just give this a good shake, like shake so everything is in one consistency, and voila, this is it, your healthy fat burner. It tastes so yummy. Now you want to get your salad bowl. Go ahead and put your ingredients. Yeah. So this is the lettuce, a handful of sliced lettuce or any green leafy vegetable of your choice. Put it in your salad bowl, and just go ahead and add in the other ingredients. That is the onion, the bell pepper, tomato, and your 1 avocado. Like, you see how colorful this is? This is multivitamin. You are not only helping your system to burn fat, but you are loading your system with a lot of vitamins and minerals. So this is the chicken. I just eat generously, but yeah, you can eat this throughout the week. You can manage in small portions and eat throughout the week. Just make this salad every day for 1 week and watch the magic happen. Eat like this is your food. Plus you want to watch and see what I drink alongside these, because when you eat this and you drink with you eat this with a metabolism booster, a drink that boosts metabolism, you experience that rapid fat burning. Don't eat pizza alongside this. This is what you're eating. Stay away from those calorie foods and watch that magic happen. So this is the drink I drink throughout with this recipe. Yeah, and this takes me for the whole entire week, and I'll share with you how I portion this. So now the first thing you will need is some apples, most especially green apples. They boost metabolism and activate your system to burn fat super fast. Plus they leave your liver in good state. They optimize your liver. Your liver loves some apples. They help your liver to function well by flushing every bad thing out of your system. The fats, waste, toxins, like you want your liver to always be in good state, and apples do just that for you. So this is the apple, and I add in some grapes as well. These are loaded with antioxidants. You know, they always relate grapes to long life because of the antioxidants to help with longevity, and that is indirectly telling you this will leave your health at the best level, so you are always healthy, your system is vibrant. Plus it boosts your metabolism to burn fat. So that is a cup of grapes. Sorry, my video is so fast. I don't like my videos lengthy. I don't want to take your time. So this is ginger, 2 thumb sizes of ginger for this recipe. You want to get your ginger peel. Ginger helps to boost metabolism, and you know, it is thermogenic to heat up your system to burn fat really fast. So these are the 2 thumb sizes of ginger sliced and set aside. You want to get your blender. Go ahead and put in your ginger, your 2 thumb sizes of ginger, your cup of grapes, and your apple in the blender. add in 2 cups of water and blend this till smooth so we can get the juice. And I'll be adding 1 ingredient in there, so you want to watch till the end so you don't miss that powerful ingredient we'll be adding in. So go ahead and sieve the juice. The raw fish you don't want to throw. You can add in a banana or any fruit of your choice and consume that raw fish. It helps you burn fat. Most especially this raw fish. What I did was I had pineapple in my refrigerator and I just used a quarter size of pineapple, blended the raw fish with, and that was a meal for me. So don't throw that raw fish. So the next thing you want to add is some lemon. Lemons contain citric acid to boost your system to burn fat, help your system to dissolve fats, and prevent fat from accumulating in your system. So you want to squeeze the juice from 2 lemons and add in there to make it more powerful. Plus, this is a hidden secret: apple cider vinegar. You know how you want to eat all the time? This will turn your eyes away from food. This curbs your appetite. It makes you not want to eat too much. That way you achieve your results. So you want to get some apple cider vinegar, shake well and measure 2 tablespoons and add in the recipe. Watch the magic happen. This keeps you away from eating and helps your system to burn that fat. So follow my steps carefully and you will see the results happen. But if you follow my recipe and you eat the wrong things, you eat your rice, you eat your pizza, don't come blaming me. So this is the shots you drink from these shots. Every day in the morning on an empty tummy, you drink a shot. Afternoon, bedtime for 1 week, and watch all that belly fat gone in no time. Try the recipe, come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.